go all the way to Gobe to go and do good, to serve for special needs children. I was like, what's this word now? I was campaigning, voice of the voiceless. I was doing food bank, that our mothers, maybe most of you are talking bad about me now. Maybe I fed one of your sisters, siblings, your cousin, you don't even know. I single-handedly, I was doing it in this platform. Not even a year, just this year alone, I don't spend almost 40,000 naira, 40 million, sorry, just for taking care of people I don't know. No mama born them. From my PA and another, the assistant, his partner in crime. Nobody the one we need don't send. She think I'm lying. There's a guy that helped me to do my transaction. He called me. He said, Mama, this year, my end of year, he said, an award will go to you. I used to use one guy. That guy forced to go and ask my sister, which business this woman do? What did she do? So I know that it's got a gobbling mouth. That's why I took that business.
Well, I know that since where this Priscilla matter say happen, she and Dion get issue. And I don't they talk about them. Yeah, I they talk about them. But let me tell you guys the bitter truth today. Priscilla, if it be say really that truth say Dion, collect your money. Waiting, I go expect you to do proper video to address the issue and bring out some proof. Talking is cheap. You understand? Talking is cheap. You fit talk anything you want, so people will not believe you. Even if you explain from now. In short, you go explain, you go tire, no evidence. But if you know, say something like that really happen, you with Dion do business, at the end, he dupe you, he collects your money, you have to go straight to the point. If you need your money back, you have to stand, say you need your money back, and you have to make the whole world understand the situation. Because we not dead there when it happened. We not dead there, so you not expect, say, if we come outside, make we can't tell you, say, oh, Dion a bad person, when we not see any proof. Fine, una no need to send paper. At least the transaction. Now bank do the transfer to Dion name. Everybody know Dion name. Where the account number. How much be the money? Which business una to be want to? You are doing for proper video. Make people understand. Not coming out to say you are very rich. If you know say you rich, it's good to you. It's good for you. No be Kukuma leave the one where Dion shop and let peace reign. If you know say you reach to that extent, you don't need the money where Dion eats. Kukuma leave the money, let peace reign. But if you need the money, you don't need to be coming out online to dey flaunt your hair. You dey wear expensive hair. You are a very rich woman. You spend 40 million in a week. You spend this one. You get any way they clean your house. You not be people mates. No. You not fit say you too rich now. You can't dey draw. You can't dey drag Dion peanuts money where you chop. But if you feel say you need your money back, you have to organize yourself, organize your speech. We don't want to know whether you get money, you not get money. Social media is where to get justice. You will not be the first person. A lot of people don't come to this social media, they get their justice. Why? Because they stand by their word and they know what they want. Not be say somebody where they find attention. You can't come online, they flaunt your, you get this, you get this, you get this. We don't really care. Because normally, anything where you get now for your pocket. Why am I saying this? If you continue like this, you not go get your money. You go spoil your name. That your name where you say you don't want me to spoil. You go spoil your name. People will not be taking you serious. And they go say they look you like liar. And somebody where they hungry for attention, publicity. I'm telling you the bitter truth. Nobody go tell you for this media. Wait till me they tell you so. So if you know, say Dion eat your money, and that money you did after, bring out the receipt. do small, even if na 3-minute video, make people understand that this is what happen. So yeah, like this. Dion bring business wait come for you, make you sign, or make una do business. Make una do this business together based on you guys were dating. Yeah, and you know, say you like big supporter for the orphanage home. He call you, okay, as a supporter of orphanage home, you like to help the less privileged. Okay, una con dey date from there. He can't tell you, okay, get one business transaction where you want to do, where be normal tongue, where men they collect money from women. Normal, they must get business. Enough to tell you say that they need them. Either their mama they sick or they want to do business. Yeah. Now he can't use that. He talk to you. You as a woman, where you see say as your heart be, now so it won't be. Come enter inside house, bring your money, come and say okay. Make una take you. Though not be only you feel bring all the money. If you still rally around from other women, join your own, add your own join. Can't use that for the business. But at the end, based on it, tell other women say he wants to the same thing. He tell you say let's do business together. Now so he tell other women say let's do business together. Are you getting me? So people don't bring money the same way you bring money. So he not just give you the accolade say now me and this person they do this business. No, because the same way you and I put money for the business. Now so in with other women put money for the business. So you know if he give only you the accolade. But if you know say between you and God and man, una do any business like that, you have to come online to prove everything to people. Give out all the proof. People need them. Give out all the proof. Explain how it happened. Let the world know how much you give her. Then people can hear your cry. Even if not be because the reason why people dey against you now are because of your friend Lolo. Yes, because now so she they do. You're supposed to know the story of media. But we're not going to say because of our own now. Say because we know Lolo, this one, so if people matter happen, now so Lolo see the day against them. May we come because of that one. See, or may we come see truth. May we they fight the truth. May we they support the lie. And let me put it like that. You get me? You have to come out to explain yourself properly. And stop all this, you know, I do my hair, I do this, I do this. You understand? Anything where you get, now for your pocket. And it's good to give. Not be saying about thing you do where you take the help the less privileged. You understand? But sometimes at this point, Seth, you don't need to say much. The only thing you need to tell people now, explain how you and Dion do this business. How come about this money? Where you not buy? So that people go, even though one stand by you, go no get the one stand for. You understand? So now wait till I want to be this one and share this video.